Tututukan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang edukasyon at mga programang panlipunan sa nalalabing mga taon ng kanyang termino. Sinabi ng Pangulo sa isang podcast sa gitna ng lumalaking isyu ng korupsyon sa gobyerno.
First of all, the social programs are important. People have to have a good healthcare system. People have to have food to eat.
Yeah.
People have to have shelter as much as possible. People have to have, they must be able to survive. The next thing you should do is education. So I'm putting a great deal of my attention and the government's focus on education.
Samantala nang matanong naman ng Pangulo kung sino ang gusto niya makaharap sa isang panayam, sabi niya walang iba kundi ang kanyang amang si dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Sr.
How would he judge what you just did? Well, anak, mali yan. O anak, very good. Or whatever, you know. So the one thing, since I became president, sometimes I hear in the back of my mind, it's like my father and some of his other political allies, yung sa generation niya. Oh, mahirap ano.
But you knew that.
Mga kapatid, Jig Manikad po, pagdating sa mahalagang balita sa loob at labas ng bansa, dapat una sa lahat, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.